My name's Hines. I'm a plumbing tutor at the Manchester College. I've been a plumber for about the last 28 years now. I've been teaching education for the last 5 years, and it's really enjoyable. The types of skills that adult learners need to come on the course is they just need to be interested in the plumbing course, and they need to be focused on it. The types of key skills that we're going to teach the adult learners, we're going to give them the underpinning knowledge to make them work ready. So we're going to start off with the basics. We'll teach them health and safety, and then we'll move through plumbing processes, and then we'll let them move on to doing bathrooms, wash and basins, toilets, underground drainage. Types of opportunities are out there for the students at the moment. With Manchester having so much building work going on, there's a lot of new builds going up there. A lot of companies are looking at taking on people who are interested in plumbing and want to progress. So they'll achieve their MVQ2 in plumbing, and then from there they'll be able to go out there and hopefully get a job. Students should study at the Manchester College because we're #1 in Greater Manchester. We've got great facilities here. We've got some great staff here who've all got a lot of experience in plumbing, as well as a lot of experience as being tutors as well, and we feel that we give them a good experience. I enjoy teaching adult learners. They're always keen to learn, they're always really interested in the subject areas that are going on at that moment in time, and want extra work.